Let's understand the problem statement. We have a list of customers and we have sales for 4 years 2013, 14, 15, and 16. And for these 10 customers, we want to find out how many of them are loyal. Now, how we define this is as a customer who has purchased and has never stopped purchasing in any year henceforth. So, for example, Aaron Hawkins is a loyal customer because he started purchasing in 13 and then every year henceforth he has kept on purchasing. Aaron Smaling is not a loyal customer because if you notice in 2014 it was a gap year and he did not purchase. If you look at Adam Schillingsberg, again, he only started in the year 2015, so he's a fairly new customer, but he is a loyal customer because he has been purchasing in both the years that he has been operating with us. These are the expected solutions. So we have Aaron Hawkins, Adam Bellavaz, Adam Schillingsberg, Adrian, and AB. So let me remove all these solutions and we'll see how to get these results. Now, the first thing I want to do is to get a series of ones and zeros. So, for example, for Aaron, since he has purchased in all the 4 years, we want four ones. And then for Aaron, the second one, we want 1011. Similarly, for Adam, we want 0011. Now remember, this can be written as 11 as well because he has only purchased in the last 2 years. Let's see how this works. We will use a simple if statement to say that if the value of 2013 is greater than 0, then the result is 1, otherwise it is 0. And obviously we get a 1 here. On this we can concatenate and I will break my formula into a different line. And we can say if the value in D6 is greater than 0, then we want a 1 comma 0. And now for the other two, we can simply copy the second line. Excellent. Let's see what is the result that we get. So we're getting this. We get four ones, 1011, 0011, 1110. Now the reason this 0011 is coming like this is because this number is not actually a number, it's a number stored as a text. But we want to convert all of these results into a number. And for this, we will enclose everything inside a value. And this time you notice that those leading zeros would go away. Like this one is a 1 because it's actually 0001, but it is only showing to us as a 1. Once we have done this, we can then find the length, and the length will come as 444241234. Now think about it carefully. This is coming as 4, but there is a blank cell inside. This is also coming as 4, but there is no blank cell, which means that if I try to do a count blank of the first customer, it will come as 0. And if I copy this formula, we get numbers ranging from 0 all the way till 3. Now think about it. For Aaron Smaling, the count blank comes as 1, but the length of the original formula is also coming as 4. But when we add both of these, we will get a 5. Now, I hope you can all identify the pattern. The only one of these where the result is coming correctly is the ones where the sum is going to come as 4. I hope you can see these. 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, and then 2 plus 2 is 4. Which means that we can simply take this count and add it to our original formula. Let me remove this. And now you notice we are getting these results 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Now we know that it is only the records that have a 4 in it which have the customers being loyal, but we don't want to see the number, right? We want to see a result which says loyal. So we can say that if the result of this entire summation is coming equal to 4, then my result is loyal. Otherwise, my result is a blank. And once we've done this, we get 5 results for the 5 loyal customers. Just so that we know that it is working properly, if I remove any one of these years, you notice not loyal. But if there was a number here, let's say 100, he would have been loyal. To finalize this, we can go to conditional formatting, highlight cells, text that contains, and we can say that wherever the word loyal is written, we want a green color so that our results now look like this. So a quick recap. We first did 4 if statements so that we get a series of zeros and ones. Then we did a value to convert that into a number. We found out the length. Then we added that length to the count blank, and then we checked if the sum of the original value function and count blank is coming as 4. If it is, then the result is loyal, otherwise it is not loyal. You can also click on formulas and evaluate formula to see step by step how the formula is working. So you can see that one by one all the if statements are working, and we get a result which is 1111. The length of 1111 is 4. When we add the count blank, which is 0, the result is 4 and the result comes as loyal, like this.